Ever pondered the mystery of investing? Today we unravel the enigma and make it as simple as pie. Welcome aboard. Please like, share, or subscribe. Picture investing as a vehicle that allows your money to grow and multiply. This growth is achieved through various channels such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The idea is to let your money work for you, paving the way to attain your financial aspirations. Investing operates on a few basic principles. One of them is diversification. This concept involves spreading your investments across various assets, thereby diminishing risk while maximizing potential returns. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, for those who are new to this, here are some common investment options. Stocks, which are essentially shares of ownership in a company, offer the potential for high returns, but bear in mind they also come with higher risks. Bonds, on the other hand, are akin to loans made to governments or corporations and provide a steady stream of income with less risk. Real estate, another viable option, can diversify your portfolio and generate passive income. So how does one dip their toes into the world of investing? The first step is setting clear financial goals. Be it saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your dream vacation, having specific goals will steer your investment strategy. With your goals set, you can then explore investment avenues like stocks, real estate, or even buying a business. Once your goals are chalked out, it's time to pick a brokerage platform. With the advent of technology, there are numerous online brokerages that offer user-friendly interfaces and a plethora of investment options. Charles Schwab is one such example. Do your homework and find a platform that aligns with your needs. Lastly, but most importantly, stay informed and patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Market fluctuations are part and parcel of the journey. Staying informed, sticking to your investment strategy, and having patience will put you on the path to building wealth for the future. And there we have it, a beginner's guide to investing. Remember, investing is about taking the reins of your financial future and building wealth with conviction. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to your successful investing journey.